Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new lesson, lesson 30, wit and wisdom. Student, tales of legendary countries and gestures are very popular in India. They are equally popular in different parts of the world. They have been delegating people for centuries. These legendary people saved themselves and others from ticklish situations through their wit and wisdom. Student, here are the some statements given. So use them as clues to name these legendary, courtiers and gestures. First one is the he was a minister in the court of Akbar the Great. He was very close to the emperor. He was not just a minister but also a confident counselor and trusted friend. You know, student, their name this is the Birbal. Okay, student. Second one, he was one of the world's most famous funster. It is not certain as to which country he belonged to, but just because of his wisdom and humor, people of different countries claim him to be their comparator. He did not enjoy royal patronage as he was a down-to-earth man of the masses. Student, you know, the name is the Mullah Nasruddin. Student, third one, he was the court jester during King Krishnadev Rai rage in Vijayanagar. He gained the confidence of the king and the people for his unique style of tracking problem, but he never had a ministerial status. You know, student, their name? Their name is the Tenali Rama. Next one, student, he was King Krishnadev Rai, chief minister. He had the unique ability to unravel the truth underlying the situation involving people at different level, often with a touch of humor. Student, you know their name? This is the Appaji Rao. Student, next one, he was a judge during the region of the Chola king in South India. He was very popular in judging those cases where direct evidence was absent. Student, know the name? They made the Maryada Raman. Student, you know, the English schedule to the Constitution of India lists the official language of Republic India as Article 344(1) and 351 of the Constitution of India. The 8th schedule gives recognition to 22 languages. Student, next, lesson 31, famous autobiography. Student, you know autobiography? An autobiography is a self-written account of the life of a person. Student, here the some name. Student, my experiment with truth. You know, student, this experiment, my experiment with truth, given by Mahatma Gandhi. Second one, student, my days. My days, written by R.K. Narayan. Fall of a sparrow. Fall of a sparrow is the given by Salim Ali, written by Salim Ali. Okay, student. Next, fourth, Confessions. Confessions, written by Saint Augustine. Fifth, straight from the gut. Straight from the gut is the written by Jack Vela. Next one, student, autobiography of a soul. Autobiography of a soul is the given by Saint Teresa of Lisieux. Next one, student, autobiography of a yogi. This is given by Paramhansa Yoga Sananda. Next one, my own Boswell. is the given by M. Hidayatullah. Next one student. Main compact, My Struggle. My Struggle is the written by Adolf Hitler. Student 10th one. Anti-Memories. Anti-Memories is the given by Ander Malarax. Okay, student. Next one 11. Daughter of the East. Daughter of the East is the given by Benazir Bhutto. The Tunnel of Time. The Tunnel of Time is the written by R.K. Lakshman. Student, you know some famous autobiographies: Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela, Dream from My Father by Barack Obama, The Last Lecture by Randy Pauls, On Writing a Memory of the Craft by Stephen King. Student, did you know Salima Lagerlöf from Sweden was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1909. She was the first woman to win this title. Okay, student. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.